Introducing the Scale Content Trifecta, a new social contract consisting of 3 social wins, as validated essentially by you. As we phase from content and information, prepare yourself for an experience, and determined by your actions a tangible sense of belonging and a genuine source for social power. Part 1 introduces the content to you as information, traditional and normal. However, you may not have noticed that you already validated the first social win. You accepted what your friend shared with you. Money was involved. The question is, were they right in sharing it with you? How do they know? Well, that's up to you. You are going to decide whether it is interesting enough to experience the next part. If you do, you will be asked to value on scale to give your friend feedback. This is the co-value social win. You'll see how valuable this is when you share it forward yourself. Part 2 might contain standard information, however it should provide you with a worthwhile experience, a new insight into an old problem or a complete transformation of perception or feeling, something really valuable to you. The depth of this experience is only possible because it is not information broadcast to you, but an invitation to experience while you are watching. So, Part 2 delivers the content each one of us can experience now. Let's look at this now more closely. Check yourself. Irrespective of the different chronological times we individually watch this, each one of us reaches this moment for the first time now. Even if we watch this repeatedly, at this moment we are midway through relative to the video, and so is everyone else. Seen in this way, relative to one another, we are experiencing the same moving moment from beginning to end, whatever the content. How we respond in this shared moment will determine the quality of our experience in Part 3. Then you experience Part 2, and if you think others may benefit from it, you are asked to share it forward. On scale, sharing content also involves sharing money. This is like the first social win, this time initiated by you. Once they accept the content and the money, they can value and share as they see fit, just like you have. Now, whatever their decision, your sharing sets up a third collective social win. Whatever the decisions by your friends, by valuing and sharing before watching Part 3, we leave behind judgment and economics, and we co-create a financially viable, non-judgmental space. We join the content creators as equals. They are not telling us anything, just sharing what is on their mind and the possibilities ahead, and inviting us to take the next step. And here's the kicker. The money generated by sharing can be used to fund the next step. Once you have participated in Part 3, you can revalue and review other people's valuations to cluster and produce further content, funded by the content creator. Using the content trifecta, we transcend the medium of broadcasting which isolates us in our individual information and values. Together, we experience a tangible sense of belonging and manifest a genuine source of social power.